G'day guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ali. I post 2 videos a week that contain motherhood, parenting, mum tips, hacks, DIYs, and also toddler activities. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 autumn activities that I've done with my 14-month-old daughter. I started doing these activities with her when she was 13 months old, but depending on where your child is up to, they definitely could probably do it earlier, and even an older toddler would enjoy doing these as well. So the first one is the colour discovery basket. So this has given us over a month of entertainment. I went for the colour orange for autumn and it was so quick to set up. So I grabbed a basket and walked around the house and found items that were orange. I went for different shapes, sizes and textures. I put them all in a basket and then sat it in front of Sophie, and the first thing she went for was the carrot. She investigated most of the items by mouthing them, and so that's why supervision is required. I named the items as she was pulling them out of the basket. Fox, tar, and we worked at saying tar when she gave the items to me. Tar. Sometimes I give her the basket though and I just sit back and watch her as she explores independently. Before doing the next 2 activities, we went for a walk in our backyard and collected autumn leaves. This is a great activity in itself, Sophie enjoyed putting the leaves into the box. The next activity is an autumn sensory bottle. So I used a Voss plastic bottle and I placed some leaves and acorns inside. Sophie absolutely loves posting the acorns into the bottle while Dave or I hold it for her. She also enjoys shaking the bottle while the acorns create a rattling sound, and this activity though definitely requires supervision because those acorns are a choking hazard. The last activity, we created an autumn tree. So I used contact paper and drew a tree trunk with a brown Sharpie on the non-paper side. Stuck it to the window with painter's tape. Sophie was immediately interested in what was on the window and came over. We then tried to use the gorgeous coloured leaves that we had got in the backyard. Unfortunately though, they wouldn't stick and they just fell off. So I bought some fake silk autumn leaves that stuck on a lot better. There's still occasions where they will fall off, but it's just like the autumn leaves falling. And also Sophie enjoys pulling them off. We've been doing these activities for the past 6 weeks now. Sophie's favourite would definitely be posting the acorns into the bottle. What do you like to do with your toddler in autumn? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear. If you're enjoying these toddler activities, let me know too. I really enjoy sharing the activities that Sophie and I are doing at home, so I hope you find them helpful. If you enjoyed this video, you might also enjoy my DIY bath toys, where I share 3 different toys that I use in the bath with Sophie, made from items that you've got at home. Alrighty, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Yuck, not in your mouth.
Ruddy leaves. I'm off again.